Today we're featuring a 2016 Honda Odyssey Touring Elite. It's got 31,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It is a certified Honda. Alright, it's white pearl in color. I'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle with you. It does have the turn signals and the side mirrors. Okay, it's got your lock unlock button here and the door handles. It does have your roof rack and sunroof. Right, the driver's side of the Elite Touring is in good shape. No problems at all. It does have your rear park assist, rear backup camera. Right, make our way down the passenger side. Everything looks really good on this Odyssey. No problems whatsoever. Alright, it is a certified unit. It's going to give you some extra warranty, multi-point inspection, a lot of other little goodies. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got your half truffle, half black door panel, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have your memory seats, okay, and your blind spot monitoring system. It does have truffle leather, power driver seat. Alright, driver seat's in great shape, no problems there. It does come with a keyless entry key fob. Okay. Does have the captain's chairs, the center console here. Passenger seat leather's in good shape as well. Alright, no problems at all there. And it does have the sunroof. Go ahead and show you that. Okay. And it also has your lane departure warning. And it also has your rear power sliding doors and power liftgate. Alright, let's go ahead and check out the mileage. Okay, it's got 31,535 miles. Now that we got it started up, I'll go ahead and show you your screen display here. Alright, go ahead and get you to your navigation. Alright, rear backup camera. Alright, it does have heated seats, dual climate controls, and then this display screen here will be for the radio. Alright, and then you have your navigation buttons down here. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. And we'll go ahead and activate these power rear doors. Simply press those buttons there, or you can pull the handle. Does the same thing. Alright, nice and smooth coming back. Got the truffle leather back here in the bench seat. Alright, the middle seat does flip down. Get your cup holders there. Leather looks good there, no problems. It does have two headphones. Alright, the other one's back there behind the seat. I'll go ahead and pull that out and show you that. There's your other set of headphones. Go ahead and engage the DVD player. You can see it's an extra long DVD player. Kind of the wide screen. Okay, I'll give you the driver's eye view, the dash and the layout, but all the bells and whistles on this Touring Elite. Go ahead and check out the third row. Alright, third row seat's in great shape. Let's go ahead and check out your hatch space back here. The power lift gate. Nice and smooth coming up. Alright, and as you can see, it's got the nice plastic protector down there. It's got your Honda vacuum cleaner, power supply. Okay, but there's a good bit of room back there. You can also put the seats down. Simply pull that up. Pull this up. Seats go down. And you can see it really opens it up back there. And then you simply just pull these straps to get the seats back up. So it takes a matter of seconds. And simply hit that button there to activate the lift gate again. Nice and smooth coming down. And then also there's a button here to shut the doors to the side here. Or you can simply just pull the handle. Alright, we've got, let's see what size we got here. We got 18-inch alloys. Alright, tires are still in great shape. Plenty of tread left on them there. Alright, once again, so 2016 Honda Odyssey Touring Elite. 31,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. It's a certified unit. Things been well taken care of inside and out. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.